Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Kings. In this channel, I will be showing you how you can get free money to start trading your Forex account. Whether you're a Forex trader or you are not a Forex trader, I will also be showing you legit way to make money online in 2025 without you having to deposit. And as you can see right here on my screen, these are the withdrawal proofs that I have been making money together with my colleagues. So if you know that you are interested, all you have to do is to click on the subscription button. And also in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $80,000 profit competition account for you to start trading and for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit once you are done obeying the terms and conditions attached to this profit account. And also, in order for you to know the terms and conditions applying attached to this free 80,000 profit account, make sure you stick to the end of this video because it will be explained at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned and listen to it and watch this video to the very end. Now, I'll also be showing you and guiding you through how you can pass this challenge and how you can be able to withdraw. So if you know that you're interested in getting this bonus, passing this challenge and withdrawing your profit, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. A link will be available for you there. Click on the link and it will take you to my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel and stay tuned. Stay active. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my video, if you know that you don't want to lose my future no deposit bonuses and free profit account that you can get for free and different ways to make money online without you having to deposit, all you have to do is to click on the subscription button right now so that you won't miss out on the free money making opportunities. So now, in order for you to get this free $80,000 profit competition account, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to the description of this video and also the comment section. A link will be pinned there which will take you to my Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel the broker link to be able to get this free 80,000 profit account will be attached and be pinned in the in my Telegram channel. So all you have to do is to click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be brought to this interface showing up right here on the screen. And also, for personal guidance, you will be able to have access to me once you have access to my Telegram channel. So now immediately you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on, as you can see, this is it over here, October RF competition. This is it right here, this is it right here. And we have 25 days left to register. So make sure that once you are done watching this video, the next thing you are going to do is for you to go and get it right now. All right, so let's go through it so that we can know some things. In order for you to see their conditions, click on conditions, but let's just continue. The condition will still be explained. All right, so these are the cash prices that will be given to the person that win the competition. And this this position on this the position available is up to 150. So if you are able to be be up to 550 people that won the competition, you'll be able to go home with $5,000. All right, and one thing about this profit account is that nobody knew about it yet. So if you are watching this video right now, this is an opportunity for you. Just go and claim it so that you'll be among the 1050 people and you'll be going home with free $5,000. All right, so now let's just scroll down. So the next thing for us to do right now is for us to go back up and get our free $80,000 by clicking on register for a competition. So once you click on register for competition, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your first name, your surname, your email, your country, agree with their personal data, agree with their general terms and conditions, and agree with their competition conditions. And once you're done, click on register. And also, before you can be able to get this free 80,000 profit account, you have to verify your KYC. You have to, no KYC needed, no deposit needed, just free funds and start trading and withdraw your profit. So now let me do mine and I will get back to you shortly. As you can see right here on my screen, immediately I was done with the first step, which is to fill in the registration details. They brought me here for me to confirm my email address. So this is exactly what is going to happen to you once you are done with your first step. So once you get to this place, make sure you tell them that you are not a robot. So once you click on it, click on confirm. Click on confirm, and as you can see, please complete your registration. One more step to your email. So scroll down. The next thing for you to do now, if your email doesn't show up, don't worry, you can fill up the registration here, the registration form again. But now let's go back to our email and get our email activated and verified. Let's go to our email. So if you get to your email and you didn't find something like this over here, the next thing for you to do is to go and re-register again. All right. So but as for us that we were able to, that we find it lucky to find it over here, the next thing for us to do is to click on confirm. So as you can see over here, your registration is completed, 100%, all done. Congratulations, your participation in the account is confirmed. Now sit tight and wait the closing of the registration. The competition will commence. Competition starts on Monday, October 6th at 6 a.m. UTC plus O. Keep eye on for your account, for your competition account. The login credentials will be sent to you within 0 to 5 days before the competition. So make sure you stick to your email account. It will be sent to you before 5 days before the competition. And now I tried something that I want to share with you. You know, they said that our competition account details will be sent to us within 0 to 5 days before the competition. I was able to get mine. I was able to get mine before then. Let me show you. I was able to get mine before then. I don't know how I did it, but I will be showing you. I'll be guiding you through how you can do it, and if we are able to do it, bless God. But the definite one is that your credentials will be sent to you before 0 to 5 days before the competition day. So now let me just show you how you can try your own. Maybe you can try your luck and you'll be able to get it before then. All right. But I just want you to know that this competition is a new competition that nobody knows about. Immediately you are done watching this video, go and claim it so that you can possibly be among the 150 people. All right, even first, second, I believe in you. I believe in you guys. So now let's proceed. So this is me here in my email account. For now, feel free to explore our RF platform with a free trial. So in order for you to get familiar with their RF trader, which is the platform that you're going to be using to trade your 80,000 profit account, once you are able to get it, they have given us a free maybe demo account for you to start trading for now. A free 80,000 demo account for you to start trading for now, not the one that you are going to be withdrawing from. So in order for you to get familiar with them, just click on free trial. Click on free trial. So you'll be brought to this interface. Gain essential trading knowledge and access prop trading platform 30 days, all for free. So I don't know whether you can be able to withdraw from this place. I don't know, but you can confirm confirm that for yourself. But what I'm sure of is that 0 to 5 days before the competition that we just got started your login credentials will be sent to you, the one that you can trade and the one that you can withdraw from. I'm sure about that. All right, so the next thing for you to do is for you to fill in your name, your surname, your email, the country you are from, and click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be brought to this interface. The next thing for you to do is for you to confirm that you are not a robot. And once you are done confirming, just click on confirm again. So once you are done, you'll be brought to this place, and as you can see, you are 50% to complete your registration, to complete all of your registration. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go and confirm your email. So go back to your email to confirm it. So when you get to your email, this is what you're going to find here. Just click on confirm button, and as you can see, all done. Congratulations. Within the next 5 minutes, you'll receive 2 emails containing login credentials for the RF trader platform and the client zone with access to RF free training. All right. So the next thing for you to do is for you to wait next for the next 5 minutes. Your login credentials will be sent to you. So this is it. I am now in my email, and these are my login credentials. So in order for you to proceed and in order for you to see your free 80,000 profile account, just click on here. So once you click on here, it will bring you to this place. Just enter your email and the password that was sent to your email. So now, as you can see, our login credentials has been sent to us. The one that we are going to be able to get to be able to see our free $80,000 Profem competition account. These are the login credentials. So the next thing for you to do is for you to copy them. And the reason why I am not exposing them for you is because of security purpose. So copy them. Copy the two, your password and your login. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to where we just came from, that we are coming from. So come back and click on RF trader login. Trader login. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to this place. So enter your login and your password. Enter your login and your password. Enter your login, enter your password. And once you are done entering it, as you can see over here, this is our free $80,000. This is it over here. This is our balance. This is our equity, and this is our profit target. This is our current value. This is our max drawdown. This is our current value. This is everything. These are everything that you need to know. So in order for you to start trading, come up to this chart. You can buy, you can sell, you can do whatever it is that you want. You can buy, you can sell. As you can see, this is it over here. You can buy, you can sell, you can do anything that you want. All right. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is it over here. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you find this video beneficial, and don't forget to come down to this comment section and tell me where you are watching from. Tell me if you want more, and if you are facing any difficulty, don't forget to tell me. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.